another thing is never ever prepare that you have to score marks. Because if you start to prepare to score some marks with above 70 or 75, you will be constrained. That your mind will not get concentrate in studying the concept. You will always try to score. Intention of scoring marks. So you please try to enjoy the subjects. Most of the standard books, the concepts in the standard books will be very clear. You will definitely love it, especially in mechanical engineering. I'm not sure about the other departments. In mechanical engineering, some subjects, some books like Sengel and Bevan Johnson, Groover's books. You love enjoying, reading those books. You do that. And another thing is, in the staff that's doubt கேட்குறது வைக்கவே படாதீங்க. நம்ம கொஞ்சம் நல்லா மார்க் வாங்குற பையன் நம்ம எதுக்கு போய் அடுத்த மாதிரி கேட்கணும்லாம் நினைக்கிறது. கண்டிப்பா வைக்கிறத விட்டு கேட்டுங்க. எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் கர்வம் ஜாஸ்தி. அந்த கர்வத்தினாலே நான் நிறைய போட்டுருக்கேன். So don't do that. You don't worry. Whoever may be, if you have doubt in any of the concepts, you just ask staff, no matter anyone. With respect to gate forum is concerned, I love some 4 to 5 subjects. Staffs concerning about some 4 to 5 subjects, especially heat and mass transfer, manufacturing technology, fluid mechanics. Manufacturing technology, fluid mechanics, and industrial engineering. I did not have even studied those subjects in my college. I don't even go to college actually. I have an attendance up to the final exam, but they have given me some 80% now. It's not a matter of concern to go to college and getting marks and other things. That's very old things, man. You just do it. You enjoy the concepts. Your career will be very nice when you enjoy yourself. You have to live your own life. You don't live for your parents and other things. They have paid you for 20 years. They don't do it for themselves actually. So what you do is you enjoy yourself. You look after your life. That's it. They will be happy for you. Okay. And another thing, never work hard. Never work hard. You will at the end get frustrated with your efforts. Work smart. Smart work is the first thing you have to take into concern. If you work smart, you will be very happy for the marks you have secured. If you work hard, you will never be satisfied with whatever the marks you score. Okay? Thank you.
Good morning, friends. Actually, I am from Amruta. I have studied my IC department. Currently, I am final year department. Final year. I am from final year. So, actually, I want to tell you how you should prepare for GATE, since I didn't prepare in that way. And I was not even happy for the rank which I got. But I think it was my preparation was a last moment preparation. So I would like to tell you that you should take me as an example how you should not prepare GATE. Okay. But many of my friends, even Ramcharan, he told me like he got the IIT seat. He told me many things, right? He was my friend. We both belong to the same class, same department, and he was my roommate. So I'm going to tell like I prepared my preparation only in December, since there was a lot of placements, and then during project work we were telling I should prepare from at least from 6 months ago, 6 months before the exam. It will be easy to graduate.
So I'm from Tamil Nadu Engineering, final year Information Technology. So few things I would discuss here is that what things I did are 90% are things that any student preparing it must not do. So started it. I had an idea of preparing for GATE from my second year. The things that what we did, friends, we are 6 or 7 of them did was study concepts what we prepare for semesters. Saying that is enough for us. That's all it said. So finally what happened was that there's some issues going on, and finally we decided join some class. It was too late when it was October that we decided it. So it was only me who joined here. GATE forum, and they did not join. They were hostels. So what things were that things were different. We saw the approach of doing things what and engineers do. So people from PhD Mata you have a good exposure, I say. Means your environment is different. When you sit down in colleges of our grades, you will see nothing more than having yourself studying there. school-like thing where just teachers don't see you, take care of you. That's all is there in our kind of colleges. That's what is there. What we, to be frank, what we know is what our teachers know. We know a little more than them. For every grade that, for every year of student that comes outside from our set of colleges, we know much than the teachers what they know. That is how the standards are. So I prepare that way and target. The gate tests are truly important. But my exam was on March 1st. The first test that I attended in gate forum site was on February 26th. Only 2 days I attended all the tests. So that is a mistake, I say, sure, because starting from October I not prepare every subject of mainly computer science. So history will know I am from computer science. The importance of computer architecture, the paper. If you study that, that is the basis for you to understand data warehouse management system as well as operating system. So I never attended the classes. Maybe classes got skipped before I made an entry here. And digital logic was not study. Major paper, engineering mathematics, never touched. Only graph theory saw, that only 2 days I saw. Graph theory, what is there, that I took that Kenneth H. book, that's all I saw. So preparation is something more important. Don't do what I say is what I did. That is wrong, I say. Maybe, to be frank, it's something, I had 38 questions, I got 37 marks, that's all I get. Maybe 4 or 5 questions went wrong. So this is not a way to prepare. But what I am saying is for you, for all my friends, I am seeing is that you must take question. What is that you must start preparing a little earlier. As everyone here has said, is that starting from 3rd year is a very good thing. So it is also good that you have joined Gate Forum in order to take coaching. To take coaching. Staffs are very good. Thanks to Gate Forum. And you must also be a little sincere to the staff there. Because it's not college that when you just get in and get out, staff here won't say anything. So because of that facility, don't just take too much privileges. Please attend classes, that will be too good. And about placements, there is a common confusion among 3rd years that we are preparing for GATE. Why don't we do placements? Do care about placements. Because placements for good colleges, I say, will you get placed by the end of, by the start of your 7th semester. Before you enter your writing exams, most of 90% will get placed. So you will not have any stress of what you are going to do after your, after you get graduated, after your 8th sem. You will say that there is a safe place there to travel, to earn money. So you get you can put your life to more risk, like maybe risk if you say cracking it, that is truly very risky thing. But if you prepare, it's very good. And please do take tests, okay? Don't do like what I did. Only 2 days of test. I don't know whether the questions are right or wrong. My answers which I made was right or wrong also. Only thing I did was that only 6 subjects I studied. Those 6 subjects, all the concepts I was clear. I solved every single question I had in my question bank. So I know the concepts. I never refer the answers with the bad side. Mostly I never refer. What I saw all the questions at the same time. I'll realize things, see that whether all my answers come in the correct way. Take my Gate Forum coaching material, see whether those answers 1 or 2 solved is having the same answer. Yeah, right, skip it, go, note down the formulas, go to the next topic. That's what I said. So, to be a little more confident, because the exam will lose confidence. So, don't always keep quiet covering your answers in the back side. So, that will also do, that will also help you to do things. Right, and finally, I thank Gate Forum and my parents for this one. Thank you.
Good morning, all of you. I am Krupa Shankar from Computer Science stream, graduated from PhD College of Technology. First of all, I would like to thank to my parents for their complete faith in me. Besides, Gate Forum plays a very important role in my success. Gate Forum's way of approach on concepts, fundamentals, and numerical type problems is commendable. As a working professional, it's not possible for me to attend the classroom training programs which is conducted in the Gate Forum institutions. So I approached Gate Forum Coimbatore and I stated the basic requirements only to the Saranansa. The Gate Forum Coimbatore team guided me to take eGate live class session, as I am an eGate student of Gate Forum Coimbatore. eGate has an immense future as It's the lively classes conducted in the Gate Forum Hyderabad studio. The only thing is you can access those lively classes with the help of your PC. The minimum requirement which is needed is only the internet connection. You might have the doubts whether your doubts will be answered or not by the respective faculty. I am damn sure that if your question is valid, then the respective faculty will be answering your doubts in the chat window. The beauty of the e-gate is in the classroom sessions, no? So we may be missed out many of the classes. So we are the loser of the concepts. The thing is actually overcome in the e-gate sessions. You can also watch the videos with the help of the video on demand. The second thing I would like to point out is Gate Forum study material. Gate Forum study material is meticulously designed to meet all the requirements of the GATE under the competitive exams. The beauty of the Gate Forum study material is that it comprises of 3 levels of the questions. Level 1, level 2 and level 3 set of the questions. Level 1 consisting of easy questions, level 2 consisting of average set of questions and level 3 consisting of difficult set of questions. I am damn sure that if you practice all these levels of the questions in the study material, you will be getting good score. The third thing I would like to point out is Gate Forum All India Target Test Series. Yes, more than 1 lakh aspirants are writing this test series. You can easily analyze your performance with others, especially the GATE toppers. The beauty of the Gate Forum All India Target Test Series is you can easily analyze your performance. I mean what are your strengthened areas and what are your weakened areas. So prior to the GATE, you are facing 17 full-length tests. Out of these 17, 12 is called as self-administered test and 5 is called as a monitored test. Self-administered test is the test you just write in your home itself. But monitored test, you just come to the center and write in the exam. Actually, this monitored test is utmost similar to that of the GATE environment. I advise you people to join Gate Forum All India Target Test Series seriously. It will be useful, it will be helpful and as well as fruitful. The next point I would like to talk about the numerical tech problems. The new challenge in the GATE 2014 we have faced is numerical tech problems. I mean it consisting of fill in the blanks type of the questions. We have to write the solutions, I mean the numbers in the virtual keyboard. So with the high occurrences of the numerical type problems, it's a time consumption process. This is the challenge which we have faced in the GATE 2014. But these challenges also you people can easily be faced whenever you are practicing a lot of the GATE target test series. Last but not the least, systematic approach, proper training and time management skills are the key factors to secure good score in GATE. Thank you so much for giving such opportunity to deliver such a speech in front of you. I am wishing you all the best. Thank you once again.
Good morning to another person here. First of all, my mark is 50, but I am not satisfied because I meant to go to PSU, but இந்த மார்க் வச்சுட்டு என்னால் எதுவும் பண்ண முடியாது. ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணணும்னு நினைக்கிறவங்க ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஒரு எய்ம் வச்சுக்கோங்க, எவ்வளோ மார்க் வாங்கணும், இந்த காலேஜ் தான் போகணும், இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு பிஎஸ்சியோட தான் நான் ப்ளேஸ் ஆகணும்னு ஒரு எய்ம் வச்சுட்டு படிங்க. நான் அந்த எய்ம் இல்லாமல் தான் படித்தேன். ஸோ வந்து ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணுறதுக்கு முன்னாடி இந்த வாரம் சென்டா மெட்டீரியல் கிளாஸ் இருக்குன்னா நீங்கள் சென்டா மெட்டீரியலை பற்றி ஏதாவது படிச்சுட்டு போனால் தான் அங்கே போய் எதாவது தெரியும். எதுவுமே படிக்காமல் போயிட்டு நான் கிளாஸில் போய் எல்லாமே கற்றுக்குங்கிறது ரொம்ப கஷ்டம். நம்ம எதாவது படிச்சுட்டு போயிருந்தா தான் அந்த பேசிக்ஸ் படிச்சுட்டு போயிருந்தா தான் அங்கே போயிட்டு அவங்க நடத்தும் போது நம்மளுடைய டவுட் வந்து கிளியர் ஆகும். அதுக்கு முன்னாடி வந்து நம்ம படிக்கிற எல்லாமே வந்து நம்ம 3 இயர்ஸில் படித்தது தான். புதுசாக எதுவுமே நம்ம கேட்டுக்குன்னு சொல்லி புதுசாக எந்த டாப்பிக்குமே படிக்க போகிறதில்ல. அதுக்கப்புறம் எந்த ஒரு காம்படிட்டிவ் எக்ஸாம் எழுதினாலும் எந்த ஒரு ஸ்ட்ராட்டஜி வச்சு எழுதுங்க. இந்த மாதிரி வந்து இப்போ மெக்கானிக்கல் எடுத்துக்கிட்டிங்கன்னா எம்எஃப்டி இண்டஸ்ட்ரியல் இன்ஜினியரிங் ரெண்டுலேயும் சேர்த்து 15 மார்க் கேட்குறாங்க. அதே மாதிரி வந்து ஒவ்வொரு சப்ஜெக்ட்லேயும் இவ்வளோ மார்க் அப்படிங்கிறது வந்து படிக்கிற ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் இருக்குது. பழைய ப்ரீவியஸ் இயர்ஸ் கொஸ்டின் பேப்பரில் எடுத்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னாலே தெரியும். ஸோ அந்த சப்ஜெக்ட்டில் எதில் நீங்கள் ஸ்ட்ராங் அப்படிங்கிறத மாதிரில முடிவு பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா ஃபஸ்ட்டு அதை படிக்க ஆரம்பிச்சிங்கன்னா அதில் எந்த கேள்வி கேட்டாலும் நம்மளால் ஆன்சர் பண்ண முடியுமா, அதில் ஃபுல் மார்க் நம்ம வாங்கிடலாம். ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி உங்களுக்குன்னு ஒரு ஸ்ட்ரென்த்தான சப்ஜெக்ட் இருக்கும். இந்த சப்ஜெக்ட் நான் வீக்குன்னு தெரியும். ஸோ அந்த எது உங்களுடைய ஸ்ட்ரென்த்தோ அதை ஃபஸ்ட்டு படிங்க. அதில் ஃபுல்லாக மார்க் ஸ்கோர் பண்ணணும்னு எய்ம் பண்ணுங்கள். அதே மாதிரி மேத்தமெட்டிக்ஸ்னால் எல்லா டாப்பிக்குமே கஷ்டம் கிடையாது. இப்போ லீனியர் அல்ஜிப்ரா அதுலேருந்து மினிமம் 4 மார்க் கேட்குறாங்க ஒவ்வொரு வாட்டியும். ஸோ அதெல்லாம் ஈஸியான டாபிக்ஸ் படிங்க. அந்த மாதிரி வந்து எது நம்மளுக்கு வந்து நல்லா தெரியுமோ அதை ஃபஸ்ட்டு படிக்கணும். அப்புறம் எதாக இருந்தாலும் ஒரு ஸ்ட்ராட்டஜி பண்ணுங்க. அதாவது வந்து 65 கொஸ்டின் இருக்குன்னா எந்த கொஸ்டினை ஃபஸ்ட் அட்டன் பண்ணணும், எந்த கொஸ்டினை வந்து கடைசியில் அட்டன் பண்ணணும், அந்த மாதிரி வந்து பார்த்து அட்டன் பண்ணணும். நம்ம ஃபஸ்ட் கொஸ்டினில் ஆரம்பிச்சு கடைசி கொஸ்டின் வரைக்கும் வந்து அட்டன் பண்ணோம்னா அது வேஸ்ட்டு தான். நான் அந்த மாதிரி தான் பண்ணேன். நான் எப்போவுமே அதே மாதிரி தான் பண்ணுவேன். இந்த தடவை அதே தப்பு தான் பண்ணேன். ஸோ நீங்கள் அந்த மாதிரி அந்த தப்பு பண்ணிடாதீங்க. That's it.
Nivas Ramachandran, 2011 passed out mechanical engineer. People so far told about their success experiences. I am here to tell you about two things. One is what to do and what not to do, because this is my 5th attempt into GATE exam. I have been writing GATE exam since 2010. Starting in my first attempt, I scored a big 0. So what I am trying to tell you now is, don't lose hope just because of 1 or 2 failures. It happens to everyone. Normally, everyone in their final year used to apply for GATE, prepare nothing, write the exam and get a disastrous mark, and they conclude telling GATE is meant for some people with gifted brains or something like that. But it is not true. GATE is meant for everyone who is capable of understanding what is fun learning and smart working. If you have confidence, you can do that. GATE is yours. The failures what I faced is mainly because of two reasons. One is I used to always in my college I used to have combined studies, but in my GATE preparation I was not able to have a very good friend till last year. But this year it was different. We were a team of 6: myself, Arun, Ashwin, Hari Prakash, and Chandru, and Lithagan. We were a team of 6 members. We prepared very well. We actually planned what to do the next day, and we used to stick to our schedule. Thanks to GATE Forum. Actually, we did our combined studies in the same classroom where we used to have.
Another thing is never ever prepare that you have to score marks, because if you start to prepare to score some marks with above 70 or 75, you will be constrained. That your mind will not get concentrate in studying the concepts. You will always try to score. Intention of scoring marks. So you please try to enjoy the subjects. Most of the standard books, the concepts in the standard books will be very clear. You will definitely love it, especially in mechanical engineering. I'm not sure about the other departments. In mechanical engineering, some subjects, some books like Sengel and Bevan Johnson, Groover's Paga books. You love enjoying, reading those books. You do it that. And another thing is, in the staff பசங்கட்டெல்லாம் ஏதாச்சும் டவுட் கேட்கறது வைக்கவே படாதீங்க. நம்ம கொஞ்சம் நல்லா மார்க் வாங்குற பையன், நம்ம எதுக்கு போய் அடுத்த மாதிரி கேட்கணும்லாம் நினைக்கிறது. கண்டிப்பா வைக்கிறத விட கேட்டுங்க. எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் கர்வம் ஜாஸ்தி, அந்த கர்வத்தினாலே நான் நிறைய போட்டுருக்கேன். So don't do that. You don't worry. Whoever may be, if you have doubt in any of the concepts, you just ask staff, no matter anyone. With respect to GATE Forum is concerned, I love some 4 to 5 subjects. Staffs concerning about some 4 to 5 subjects, especially heat and mass transfer, manufacturing technology, fluid mechanics. Manufacturing technology, fluid mechanics, and industrial engineering. I did not have even studied those subjects in my college. I don't even go to college actually. I have an attendance up to the final exam, but